Ayan pa oh. Ano? Hello boy?
Manoy.
Away, away. Away, 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 away. Sino yung dumating? Sabihin mo, Mama.
Hello.
Sino yan?
Ay naku, nagpachi naman ang pumpkin.
Meron ba naman pumpkin na may patchy?
Huwag nang magpachi, babaunin natin yan.
Yay! Ay, tinatagka. Yan, 1, 2. Hi, Manoy! Hi!
Hi, Mami.
Thumbs up! Thumbs up! Yay! Thumbs up!
Ang ganda naman.
Manoy! Manoy! Thumbs up!
Ali, Ate Shod.
Where's Manoy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Yan! Oh, baba mo siya. Ayaw mo siya maglakad.
Dali, walk.
Ay, tinatanggal.
Oy! Ay, ngayon gusto niya ilagay.
Yan, lagay mo nga.
Oh, okay.
Okay, everybody smile!
Smile. Manoy!
Hi, Manoy!
Hi, Mananay! Mananay, dito ka magpaikot. Come!
Yan! Okay, everybody
Ayan.
smile.
Sige, hawakan mo nga.
Hi, Manoy! Hi,
Ayun,
Manoy!
ito. Daddy.
Away, 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 away. Away, away, away.
Ay! Galing.
Okay, everybody smile. Ate, where are you? Okay, 1. Ay, nag-smile! 1, 2, 3, Manoy. Hi, Manoy! Smile! 1, 2, 3, everybody smile!
Manay, smile ka kay Daddy. Alright, let's go.
Oh, sige. Manoy!
Manay, look at Daddy. Where's Daddy?
Bus na.
I think tinitingnan niya yung yung pumpkin. That's why. See? Yeah, I think he's looking at his pumpkin house too.
Hi, Manoy!
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi!
Careful. And it's not even like hardcore. Where are we going? What is English translation for it?
Oh, hello! Say hi!
Pumpkin, say hi. Right there. Say hi. Hi. It's with people. Like, you want to hear him? You can call the children pumpkin. Oh, yeah. Like, just say it. They say it, yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, ikaw. Asan ba? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi, Manay!
Say hi, Daddy. You want donut? Want a donut? Donut? Oh!
Away, away!
Daddy, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh! What is that?
Excuse me.
Orange.
Everything here is orange, Manoy.
Everything is orange, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Here, this is your treat.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, hey, are you guys gonna get a munchie? Go, Trick or treating.
Oh, she's gonna give you, man. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
How about we sit?
Hey, boss.
Okay, sit na lang kami.
Ah, yeah, okay. Hi, Manoy. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Hawakan mo siya, itaas mo siya, an.
Human care?
Buhatin. Yippee! Hi! Oh, ayun, doon kayong apat. Bilis, bilis, habang hawak mo. 1. Hi, Daddy! Dito, dito, dito. Hi, Manoy. Come on, Manoy.
Oh, she sees a bird.
Isa lang, isa lang. Look at that. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi, Manoy.
Hi.
Sayang. Ayun. Yun. Ay, natabingan ang mukha mo. Ayan, okay, that's it.
Hi. To go outside again.
Yeah, I know.
To go outside. That's a trick or treat. Let's say trick or treat.
Please.
He wants to go. Ay, doon siya nakatingin eh.
Flowers.
Hi.
Hello. Okay. Where's Dad? Manoy? Hi.
Hold it.
Yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Okay.
Jesus. Ano, wait. Ano ba yan? Pag dyan sa street. Ayaw mag... Ayaw sa akin.
Matawa. Okay. Ayun na si ate. Wait, wait, wait. Just like that, Ann. Wait, just like that. Okay. Wow. Hi, Manoy. Kilala mo pa ba kami? Manoy, kilala mo pa ba kami? Okay, Jack, go. Go with them.
Manay, okay tayo. Wait. Manay, yan si Daddy, oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ate.
Kay ate at kay Nina.
Oh, buhatin mo, Ann. Buhatin mo siya.
Wait. Pictures first, okay?
Where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy? The light.
Manoy. Away, away. Way, away, oh. Dito. Away, oh. Dito, Manoy. Oh, ayan. Good. Ah, salamat na ako ng isang picture. Way, away, oh. Way, oh.
Manay.
Yan. Good. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Good. Alright.
Anong Facebook?
Hi, Manoy. Kumakain ka? Yun.
Titingnan kay Daddy. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Daddy, smile ka kay Daddy.
Thumbs up nga kay Daddy. Ayun! Thumbs up? Thumbs up ba? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Yan.
Sa dynamic.
Oo. Akin na. May phone ka ba?
Ano kinakain mo, Manoy? Nagutom ka?
Otak.
O, kain na.
Ay, gusto niya yung otak.
Pakikita